How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I miss you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season. Today is gonna be a short video, but hopefully a good one. We're gonna be installing the Billetworkz weighted shift knob. Also, I wanted to give an update on what I've been doing, where I've been. I just finished my second to last semester of college, so I'm super excited for that. So right now I'm just on the winter break working and also enjoying the holidays. Also, hopefully I can create some videos for you guys, maybe a couple videos before the new year. But recently on Black Friday, I was gonna get coilovers for this car, but I decided to be smart with my finances and sell for the weighted shift knob, a little interior piece. I haven't done anything to the interior other than lighting, so I decided to go with the weighted shift knob just for the driver feedback modification. And I wanted a mod that I can enjoy every day, so here we are. So speaking of mods, I do want to go over the list of mods on this car since I wasn't able to do that on the first video. And I basically want to set the basis of what I'm starting with for this channel, basically what I have so far, because some of these mods I installed before I started the channel, so I just want to go through that. But before we get into that part, I just want to say, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, that's where I post pictures and updates and also videos. But recently, last week, I did get into an accident. Someone had rear-ended me, so it messed up the bumper a little bit. Super sad. And there's like 2 holes right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, and then like some scratches. Makes me really sad. Also, the bumper is pushed in a little bit, but surprisingly, not that bad of damage, but I do have to replace the bumper. I'm basically trying to figure it out. It was not my fault. The other person rear-ended me on the highway during traffic hour. Luckily, they were nice people and didn't run away or anything, and also no one was hurt. I do have some plans for the rear bumper, but I'm still trying to figure out everything with that as far as like fixing it and also like the money and also insurance and all of that. But moving on, we'll go straight to the mods. Obviously, the last video, we installed the NVIDIA Catback R400. Super good exhaust, no regrets. Also, excuse the car's a little dirty from the winter. I just haven't got a chance to wash it. Next, we do have the tail light overlay tint thing. I did it myself. Super cheap and super good looking. I do like it a lot, but I do plan on getting aftermarket taillights in the future. And also, one of my favorite pieces on this car right now is the carbon roof spoiler from JD Muscle. Moving on, we also have the carbon door handle protector things. But if you guys know, if you open the door, a lot of times your nail scratches the inside paint. So that's what that is there for. It's carbon fiber. It's a nice touch, nice accent. Also, another one of my favorites is the CS style carbon front lip, also by JD Muscle. It matches very well with the roof spoiler and looks great to the front. It makes the car look a little lower. I'm not gonna lie, I have scraped with the lip on stock suspension, but I'm still gonna go low with coilovers one day. Kind of scared, but it is what it is, low life. Also installed white LED license plate lights from OLM. And also with that, I installed interior lights as well, which is all white LEDs. Also the underglow here, and also the white LED lights right there, just to give it an updated appearance, get rid of all the ugly yellow lights and just make it everything clean. Underneath, I do have the Fumoto oil drain valve. That's just to make my oil changes a lot easier. I just flick the lever and then oil comes out and then I can close it. Super easy. But other than that, that's all I have for this car. But all right, let's get into the video now that we set the basis of what my car has right now. Okay, so starting with what's inside the box. You have the card, and it comes with the Billetworkz sticker right here, and then also the bolts and nuts required to install the shift knob, and the shift knob itself, obviously. I went with the Lightbulb shape, which is on the website is 500 grams. Right off the bat, it feels pretty heavy, heavier than I expected, and I went with like the Japanese engraving and also the WRX logo right there. I was debating between getting the titanium one or the white gloss one, but the white gloss one was in stock, and also I think it would just match with the blue and probably the blue more than the titanium. But on the website, you have various customizable options and also colors, so I'll put a link down below for you guys to look through it and customize yourself. I will get a scale to measure and compare between stock and the Billetworkz shift knob, so I'm gonna try that now. But before we can do that, I do have to unscrew this. To start that, I have to unscrew it. Hopefully it's not that hard. So pretty easy, and I can confirm that I believe the Billetworkz is way heavier than the stock one, so that's exciting. Okay, so I got the scale out here. So starting with the stock shift knob, it's gonna be about 198 grams. And then if I put on the Billetworkz Lightbulb weighted shift knob, it is about 468. That's a pretty huge difference, more than double, a little shorter than 500 as advertised, but it's still pretty heavy. And if I add the adapter and nut, it goes out to 488. So like I said, pretty big difference, and I should be able to feel it while I'm driving and shifting and going through all the gears. So let's go in with the install. Okay, so to start, you want to put in the jam nut first. I did play myself here where I put in the adapter first just to try it out, see if it will work. And I think you can install it with the adapter in without using this jam nut. But once I did it and I took the shift knob off, it's stuck in there now. I don't know how I would get that out, to be honest. But basically, you can use the jam nut, or you don't have to. But I think the jam nut, the purpose of the jam nut is so that you can adjust it in case it doesn't line up straight properly, like the engraving and stuff like that. So basically what you want to do is you want to screw it all the way down. In my case, I don't think I needed to screw it all the way down, since when I screw it down, it's going to be upside down. But basically you screw it to the bottom, and then the adapter will come on next, which my adapter is stuck in here, so I'm just gonna have to put it on with the shift knob inside. Also, you can and probably should tighten both with a wrench. I think this is a 19 mil, I believe, and also the adapter is a 17 mil. I just don't have any wrenches and I'm just lazy. I'm gonna tighten it by my hand. I'm probably gonna regret it, I don't know. But basically, once you get to the bottom, you put on the adapter first, and obviously mine's stuck in here, so I'm just gonna put it on with the shift knob itself. And you screw it on here. So as you can see, the engraving is upside down, and you don't want that. So basically what you want to do is you have to unscrew it and just keep playing with it, and like loosening the jam nut and the adapter until you can be able to get it straight. So I just have to unscrew it and just keep playing with it. I don't want to say everyone's going to be the same. It might be a little different for everyone. So I'm just going to fast forward until I get it right. I honestly think I effed this up. Basically what you wanted to do was you wanted to have the two wrenches so you can tighten it at certain spots along the thread. That way when you screw on the knob, you can like have it to the perfect spot you need it to be. And mine's stuck in the knob and I don't have any wrenches. So I'm just gonna cut until I figure this out. For a better explanation, it does come with a QR code with like instructions on how to install the shift knob itself. So it's probably better than mine. But we live and we learn, and I'm gonna try to cut until I figure this out for myself. Don't follow my path. All right guys, I completely got lucky and I was able to get it to work. Basically what I had to do was I put the jam nut on the very top, and I put the shift knob on top and just screwed it all together at the same time. And as it went down the thread, eventually it got tight somewhere along the line, and I was able to get it to where it was straight and looks good. Once again, don't be like me, do your research and study. I thought I can just wing it, but it turned out to be almost a failure. Even though mine wasn't that great of an instructional video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But overall, testing it out here in the garage, it feels pretty amazing. It feels really good. Obviously I have to get the full experience by driving, but I'm super excited. I'll probably drive and test it out tomorrow. But it feels great, way better than stock. Eventually I do want to get the accompanying mods for this, such as like the parent shift stop, shifter bushings, shift plate, and also a short throw shifter maybe. But for now it feels great, so I'm completely happy with it right now. It looks amazing. I like the gloss white overall, and that's pretty much the end of the install. All right guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, it is dark outside. I promise you guys, it is not that hard of an install. It's just me being dumb and I didn't really plan and just decided to wing it. But other than that, as far as what's coming up for the future videos, I do have an access port, a cob access port. I'm just waiting on whether I should do it or not, or whether I should avoid warranty, and also whether I should pair it with like a cold air intake for the video, or should I just make a standalone video for the cob access port. Earlier in the year, I did place an order for a set of NK NT03's SBC special coating, but unfortunately the person I was ordering it from, they ordered the wrong bolt pattern, so I have to cancel on those wheels. So hopefully in the future I can either order the same wheels or maybe look into a completely different wheel. So no wheels for now. I'm gonna wait on that. Like I said, access port. I might get a cold air intake too. Like I'm pretty interested in that. But other than that, I'll let you guys suggest what I should do next. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I do have 1 semester left of college. So I'm gonna try to push some videos out before I get busy again. And even when I do get busy, hopefully I can make some videos for you guys to enjoy. Also, of course, I still need to figure out the rear bumper situation. I'll keep you guys updated. And lastly, if you guys have not already, please follow me on Instagram. That's where I post my photography, updates and reels, and also on stories and stuff like that. Keep you guys updated in between each video. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.